Hello and welcome to a very unnecessary yet very fun video where I tell you exactly what I carry in my big fucking tote bag. I really don't need to go to the gym because ये bag उठाते उठाते मेरे biceps तो बन ही गए हैं. You know how everyone keeps saying how a woman's bag is a big mystery? I don't think anybody says that. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, a woman's bag is a mystery and I'll tell you exactly what I carry in this. This is the last time I'm picking this up, by the way, in this big effing bag. Let's go. If you're a little vigilant, you'll definitely realize that there is a pipe that is coming out of my bag, which is undoubtedly my Stanley mug.
If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all.
Ever since I knew the existence of a Stanley mug, I was like, this is something that I want. This is rich girl shit that I want to be a part of. Also, buying a Stanley mug has made me realize that I don't drink enough water. So this big effing mug, which is probably 1.5 liters, I'm assuming. Please let me know if you know. This is a constant reminder that I do not drink enough water. The next thing that is popping out of my bag is a journal. Because पता नहीं लाइफ में मेल्टडाउन मुझे कभी भी आ सकती है एंड तुम काम में दारू नहीं पी सकते. So this is where exactly I pen down my thoughts. That's why I need a diary. Also, I am joking about the whole drinking part. Sorry, I don't endorse that. The next big thing that is coming out of my bag is my tiffin. I'm not rich enough to be able to afford lunch outside every day, so I eat home cooked meat because my mom really cooks it with all her love and heart. And I make sure that I eat it, even if it's vegetarian most of the time. I'll make sure that I eat it. Why? Because I love home cooked meals. Oop. Oh, a mist, a body mist. This is some berry flavor. I mostly smell like fruit, and I think that's why I attract a lot of mosquitoes. But I still love the smell. So, okay, I just sprayed body mist all over my face. This is another example, daily example of how I am a big failure in life. Anyways, the next thing that is coming out of my bag, of course, charger. What is wrong with this stupid bag? I can't get out of house without carrying this iPhone charger because iPhone is one such device जिसका charge घर पे तो रहता है, but the moment you step out of the house, charge ऐसे निकलता है. I'm like, what? And I'm searching for plug points everywhere. So yes, I have to carry a damn charger. Of course, a comb. A girl cannot leave her house without carrying her fucking comb because life भले ही बकवास चल रही है. My life is literally falling apart, but my hair is gonna look nice. इतना पैसा दे के ये बाल करवाए just to be called Red Velvet Cupcake, by the way. But I don't like that nickname. I definitely love that nickname. I want to be called the Red Velvet Cupcake. Oh, I almost missed this क्योंकि ये एकदम बाजू में ऐसे चिपक गया था. But of course, my iPad. I'm carrying an iPad because I cannot carry a fucking laptop. I don't have that many hands to carry a laptop. Although I do need a laptop for everyday work. I do have a lot of shit that is pending and I definitely need a laptop to get my work done. But I just simply cannot carry that many bags. All I wanted was a boyfriend who could carry stuff for me, but life has other plans, so I have to settle with this. Just पे काम हुआ नहीं. I ended up wasting my time watching something. So another example of how I'm a big failure in life. Oh, this is something exciting that is coming out of my bag. Can't show you, but these are PR products. So ये हमेशा नहीं होता, हमेशा मेरे बैग में नहीं रहता. But then there was a new product that was being launched and I have free miles, so I will test this and let the brand know how this was. Then up is my face mist. This is gulab jal. This is something that I generally have to carry. If at all I want to freshen up, my face mist is always there to my rescue. Then of course, essentials, guys. I don't know how. I mean, यही होता है एक female purse में. You'll have comb, you'll have a face mist, and you'll have wet wipes, cause यही चाहिए भाई. यही घर बसाना है तो these are the essentials that we would need. Not first aid, but these are the essentials. Speaking of essentials, of course, I don't think I am capable of leaving the house without carrying my lipstick, which is this color, by the way, the lip gloss that I keep applying all the damn time. I don't think I can leave my house without carrying this because 99% of the times भले ही मैं ugly लगूं, let it be, it's okay, I'm ugly as fuck, but not when I'm putting my red lipstick. Then I'm a baddie. I feel like a baddie, so I have to carry this. Like, I'm not leaving my house without carrying this. And I'm assuming this is the last thing that is popping out of my bag, which is a wallet. Why am I carrying a wallet? To remind myself every day that I'm fucking broke. So that I have to work hard. So that I get paid. So that I can actually afford the lifestyle that I want to live. So that's why I carry my wallet. जिस पे पैसे तो बिल्कुल है.
Surprise!
थोड़े हैं इस बार, but yeah, but I definitely carry the wallet so as to remind myself every day that I am a broke bitch. Last but not the least, earbuds. Nobody is leaving the house without these. The one time if I leave my house without this, हो गया कलेश, दिन खराब ही जाता है भाई. I need to know, even if I'm not using my earpods, I need to know that they are in the bag so that I'm already teleported to a nice environment. I've already zoned out thinking कि I am wearing my earpods and listening to my favorite music and life चल रहा है, मस्त चल रहा है. And then last thing, that is sugar-free mint. This flavor really sucks, but I got it because मेरे को लगा अच्छा होएगा, but cola, I mean, I thought it might be nice, but it was not. But it's okay, I still keep popping it now and then ताकि मुंह का फ्लेवर बना रहे. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to make this very fun video where you see what I'm carrying exactly in the bag, because I carry this huge effing tote bag to work every day, and I just thought to myself, why am I carrying such a heavy bag? And I kept thinking, like, do I really need these many things when I go to work? And then I sat with myself and I was like, yeah, I do need all of these things to function as a human being from whatever time till whatever time I'm there. So yeah, these are my essentials apparently. And इसमें से एक भी चीज़ अगर मैं छोड़ दूँ तो I feel incomplete. So I hope you like this video. If you did like this video, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. If not, फिर भी कर दो like, share, comment, subscribe. Until then, namaste.